Hey, so if you're getting a network error on Leonardo AI on PC, yeah, like it won't load, generation fails, or it keeps saying connection error, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, weak or unstable connection is the most common cause of network errors. Next, yeah, restart your Wi Fi router. I mean, this clears temporary network glitches. Now, just refresh the page and try again. I mean, sometimes it's just a temporary connection drop. Yeah, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. I mean, these can block or slow down connections. Now, corrupted cache can cause network issues. Clearing your browser cache often fixes it. Yeah, open Leonardo AI in incognito mode. I mean, this avoids cached data and extension conflicts. Now, extensions can interfere with network requests. Try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, switching to a public DNS like Google DNS can sometimes fix network errors. If nothing works, try another browser or device. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local. So, yeah, that's how you fix network errors in Leonardo AI on PC. Most of the time, it's internet issues, VPN conflicts, or cache problems. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.